Do you dream of bright, glowing skin but don't want to use expensive creams full of chemicals? What if I told you that the secret to fair and radiant skin is already in your kitchen? Just a single lemon? Stay with me till the end of this video because I'll show you 5 powerful and proven ways to use lemon for naturally glowing fair skin. Lemon is not just a fruit, it's nature's brightening magic. Rich in vitamin C and citric acid, lemon helps remove tan, dark spots and dullness, revealing your natural glow. Let's explore how you can use it safely and effectively for glowing fair skin at home. Why lemon works. Lemon works like a natural bleach. The vitamin C boosts collagen, brightens dull skin and fades pigmentation, while citric acid gently exfoliates dead cells, leaving your skin smoother and lighter. Regular use with care can make your complexion visibly clearer within weeks. Remedy 1. Lemon and Honey Mask. Our first and most popular remedy, the lemon and honey mask. Take 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Add 1 tablespoon pure honey. Mix well and apply to your face. Leave it on for 15 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water. This combo moisturizes your skin while brightening your tone naturally. Remedy 2. Lemon and rose water. Mix equal parts lemon juice and rose water. Apply gently with a cotton pad and leave for 10 to 15 minutes. This refreshes your skin and helps reduce dark spots while keeping it soft and balanced. Remedy 3. Lemon and turmeric paste. Third, lemon and turmeric paste. Add half teaspoon turmeric powder to 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Make a smooth paste and apply to your face for 10 minutes. It deeply cleanses and gives your skin a healthy golden glow. Remedy 4. Lemon and cucumber mask. Fourth, lemon and cucumber mask. Blend cucumber into a paste and add a few drops of lemon juice. Apply for 20 minutes. This cools sunburn, reduces tan and instantly refreshes your face. Finally, lemon with milk cream. Take 1 tablespoon milk cream, add a few drops of lemon juice, apply for 15 minutes and gently wipe off with a soft cloth. It nourishes dry skin and adds a natural glow and softness. Precaution. Important things to remember. Never apply lemon directly before going out in the sun. If you feel burning or irritation, wash off immediately. Use lemon-based remedies only 2 to 3 times a week for best and safe results. So, these were the 5 amazing ways to use lemon for fair and glowing skin, all natural and chemical